So, you know how to walk, but you want to branch into different directions. Not a problem. Alright, so if you're doing this for a game, at a minimum, you are going to need 4 separate walk-in animations. Forward, backward, left, and right. From there, you can mix the animations together to make the diagonals. Now, personally, I prefer to have a little more control over my animations. So, generally, I create 8 separate walk-in animations, and then in the game engine, I mix those together to get even smoother transitions for all 360 degrees. But just pick the method that you are most comfortable with. I guarantee you the player probably won't be able to notice the difference. Anyway, since these animations mix together all the time, they don't need to be as detailed as the main walk-in animation. All of my directional walk animations only have 5 frames. The 2 at the beginning and end are the same. The middle is just the opposite of the beginning. And in the middle of each, we just make sure that the front foot is in the air. To create these animations quickly, make the first frame, press A, and I to key everything, copy it, and paste it at the end. Then scrub to the middle, and just make sure that the left and right feet have switched positions, and then make sure that the hip is balancing in the opposite direction. Then go in between and move the dominant foot into the air right before it touches down, and then do the same thing in the middle over here. Do that for each direction, and you're done. That's basically it. 5 frames for each direction, and I have 8 directions. Hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.